Hey, I'm Russ from Barbecue Sweet Rotisseries, and I'm back again. Today, we're gonna cook a lamb rack on our Flaming Coals mini spit. First step, as you can see, the butcher was kind to us and he's already semi-Frenched the bones. We're not gonna touch those because they're a pain, but we're gonna take off some of this fat. This hard fat's not gonna render out, so we need to take it off. We got it trimmed up. We're gonna leave a little bit of fat, because fat is flavor. We're gonna rub her with Heath Ryle's garlic butter. All right, we got a little base layer of our garlic butter. We're gonna put a top layer of Flaming Coals lamb rub. All good, she's all rubbed up. We're gonna let that rub sit on there while we get our spit situated. All right, our charcoal's on the chimney, it's about lit. In the meantime, we're gonna get the lamb, which has a rub set on it, onto our skewer. All right, she's on the skewer. She's not a girthy piece of meat, but she sure is delicious. Let's get it on the spit. All right, as you can see, our coals, they be a-flamin'. Let's get this thing on. Bueno? Hey. All right, the lamb's been going for about 10 minutes. To get a little bit more moisture on the outside, we're gonna baste it with a little bit of olive oil, and I've just put some of the Heath Ryle's garlic butter rub in there. Then I made a fancy little brush out of some rosemary sprigs. Oh. Okay.
And then they were fully going saved and bought stuff off eBay.
All right, she's been on for about half hour-ish. I'm giving it a temp right about 149 Fahrenheit, which is medium. So we're gonna get it off. Shwink. This skewer is hot, but luckily these Neo Heat 250s are protecting me from burning. All right, so the lamb's cooked. Our potatoes are almost done. So we're gonna put it in some foil and give her a little rest. All right, we gave it a quick rest. Let's cut into her and see how we did. Not too bad. Looks pretty good. Let's give it a taste and see how it went. It's very delicious.